Did you know a man escaped from the world's most inescapable prison not once, but multiple times? Henri Charrière was sentenced to life on Devil's Island, France's most brutal prison colony, surrounded by shark-infested waters off the coast of South America. They called it escape-proof. Charrière had other plans. His first attempt, he convinced guards he had leprosy, got transferred to a leper colony with weaker security, almost made it to freedom before getting caught. His second escape was even bolder. He befriended another prisoner. Together they gathered coconuts for weeks, hollowed them out to use as flotation devices. On a stormy night, they jumped off a cliff into the ocean, riding coconut rafts through 30-foot waves. His partner drowned, but Charrière survived. He spent years hiding in the jungle, living with indigenous tribes, always one step ahead of the authorities. The man they said would never escape became a legend. His story inspired books and movies, proving that even the most secure prison is only as strong as the human spirit it tries to contain. Some cages just can't hold everyone.